Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-25T-UP, and it's minutes and seconds up to 99 minutes. And it has a network expansion card. As you can see, we're plugged into the Ethernet cord into our network, our local network. Comes with a start only button. As you can see right here is this 40 millimeter and weatherproof box with 25 foot of cord. All of our accessory switches come with the box and cord. Foot switch, same thing, but that is a stop. One press, second press is the reset. Also has 25 foot cord. Unique thing about this is that it has the ability to also output network-wise what's being shown on the display, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Has redundant push buttons on the front. There's a start here only, which follows the 40 millimeter, and also the stop reset, which follows the foot switch. So the local operator has control, and then they have it also at probably somewhere else within 25 feet control. And then someone who's managing it or managing what's going on with this process, I think it's going to sharp, but whoever's managing this process can also see it from their computer, and I'll show you that here in a minute. So the actuation of it, excuse me, is start, and then stop, foot switch stop, foot switch reset. And I'll show you how that is also seen on the network. So IP setup, that's this program right here, and it is available on this link. I will supply a link, and also to our blog page. All you have to put in is IP setup, and it'll find this location of this program. But it's a simple little routine that finds a network card on your network. If you don't want to run this routine, then I'll show you what it's named. So on our network, we have quite a few network cards, but it is DC Digital Timer Display. I'll click on that, and it'll say we'll launch the web page, and that web page will be processed here. Now this is showing the last stop time and the final process time, and then also the current time. So I'll go ahead and we'll go through one more process of this. So we're going to start it, and you'll see it also being reflected there on the current time. So if you're managing this and from another location, a remote location, you can see that they're in process. So you've got the current time. The last time was 6 seconds. We're going to go ahead and stop it. And you can see where it stopped at 19 seconds. And then the last final process time is up there with 6 seconds, and then you're going to hit it again, and that's resetting it. It gives everything, gives kind of a record of one log record, if you will. It's a DC-25, so it's a 2.3 inch high digit, all aluminum enclosure, IP65. The enclosure can be mounted on a 4-square. It's got knockouts for a 4-square or a handy box, or you just want to, set it down on the tabletop or whatnot, like we have here. But Ethernet connection. And so again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating a DC-25T-UP timer with an network expansion card. Thanks for watching.